Episode for GC News, Mima Obibia Aquaba, Hadia latest and hot news Aqua, Aramede Bramo. And it is only subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say or best subscribe. Dobby say over click a subscribe button. Now barely notification. We understand the video be uploaded when the first person was a Becca ASR video. I feel we are like a video and give us a thumbs up, Nafi. Share ma or for sona when you be here now who somewhere ecoso Ghana be Mohano. Afi Yimra a and somewhere abeto yapnoso a KT Kevin Taylor wadi and somewhere to Yayan check Kevin Taylor de abang with it were bought when a chia papa Yama Koso I Yina Kevin Taylor Nyawa 1 for Honcho. Then when I wadi and Simbi air to ya which I say abang way a ya Sekiana King. One day Assemble to so our American memo said the FBl and CIA4 ebechero. Na Kebedi and Sammy Bediatuo for a year in some wadi to Jano and Tentamara Yoko a year KT Capitala Kachina Yankuti and some year Capitala Edi Tuja.
The government of Ghana today, Omunyaya and the American government will arrest me and jail me. They are trying so hard to do that. Let's say these people in government today in Ghana, they are doing everything possible to put something on me in America for the FBI and CIA. They are lying to you. They don't want you to basically come out. There's no democracy in Ghana. Election is so dangerous. Boni and Akufo, they are not willing to leave power. We are guarding in our junior will say, you better aba Emma MPP, Aba Bontene, I can say, but Mahama, Enya 53%, Bawumia 44. You need to give Mahama 80% of the vote. You need to knock these people off their feet completely. Mumu a little bit of room to stand on their leg, they will not leave power. Me catch wrong. Mama NPP for a little room to have a leg to stand on. Omunya 44% to cry, they will not leave power. So Bawumia 45% on free power on penny. MPP in penny. Me na me catch them. So John Mahama between 60 to 75% of election. Bawumia on free NPP omunya power mumamuda. I know what I'm telling you. They will never. Let's say, oh dear, Chiroto, I got 10 days near Tuaba. Someone Kwabon in your numbers in millions to give about 70% of the vote to John Mahama. Bawumia 45% kura on jai power mu. Akufo Addo for power Mahama da. You need an election that will knock these people off. And I'm talking about overwhelmingly putting your political affiliation aside. Or party to win election. Give the power to NDC. And yes, sir. The whole country in Kofowe omon penny. Unim Bonia MPPAD. As I speak to you, Omakra News Service, Abakuma National Signal Bureau, they are setting it up for the elections. Yeah. As I speak to you, National Signal Bureau, Benjamin and someone, they have given out laptops to every MPP constituency, every polling station. Yeah. They are giving them Gota phones. They will be communicating. They will shut the network down. Yeah. You think they are joking? Election day, they'll shut the network down. Omunkwa system in the Bejuma locally because they can run their local network. They will shut the global one now. Ghana, you're joining, they'll shut it down. The National Signal Bureau, Ben and someone, what they are going to do as I speak, Omama MPP polling station, any constituency, Omama will be a laptop, specific laptop for them. Sa laptops no ena omo polling agents and any pink sheet in Bemomo. What they have given them, they are giving them Gota phones. Phones now a use satellite pay or Ghana no. They are polling agents in Obi. War resources. What they are going to do, they will shut down the network. Results they will be having results. And in terms of say they will compile results than anybody else Ghana. They have a plan. But results no. So we will have to decide. We have to be there to count. And that's why they are so confident. Still, kidnapping they don't care. They're not. Hey, none of them is thinking right now so be free power. I'm telling you, MPP, none of them. Obiani MPP ma osuro so be free power. They know they want. If they have to kill, they'll kill. And then men who are in Ghana are worried. Some of them don't sleep. They pray throughout the night. They don't see things well. The only thing we can do as a people is everybody going out to vote and voting for John Mahama. Voting for NDC parliament. Give total control, 80% to NDC. Famomo. It is to save your democracy. That's all. Moya careless na Bawumia 45% kura MPP omun free power. Omun ye. Ye day na ye to about court for injunction on the election. Tie. Day na ye be to abano. They will enter the Supreme Court to get an injunction to stop the elections. Hey, we didn't go for person ye. They are not thinking of leaving power. When we say they are planning to leave power, they don't even think about those things. Way more for 8 years. They know what they will do to you. But the reason why in 2020 the one was we all quelled in. Yanko tuaba empese ebeto. Yan monitor abani kan empese ebeye. Eno munya opportunity no. Nipa dodo kakrebi omo yeso me protect abani no omo ye de ehunu na omo. That is how they won the elections. They stole it from us. Me say Mama Bawumia 45%. Mu democracy de no. Bawumia 45% on free abamu. Akufo Addo mpene. Me say, yeah, can election, I'm about to answer breaking news. NPP secures injunction. Me say, you will see. Police agents, laptop from National Signal Bureau, National Security. Obia Gota phone. On that day, they'll be communicating with National Security. They will be conniving with NCA. 2020, that's what they did. National Signal Bureau, NCA. They linked up with AED and EC. So the results that were coming, they were getting the results and sharing with EC. They decided. Intimate Tranka say, Abana yetono, it has to be manual, baby, a two abano, a one elected president and parliamentary candidate. You people have to be there to elect your president and parliamentary candidate at your polling station, your constituency, and your region. Munyam kotena fie, nam koto sa abanwa skirt and blouse, and a Mahamadu Bawumia Hey, me ekobedu. I have played my role. The government of Ghana today, Omunyaya, and the American government will arrest me and jail me. They are trying so hard to do that. Let's say, these people in government today in Ghana, they are doing everything possible to put something on me in America for the FBI and CIA to raid me. They know I have nothing to hide. I have done my part. I have served my nation. I have been honest with you people. As a young man, I have sacrificed everything. I have done what a young man should do to protect the Krom 4. I don't know what I haven't discovered and proven that they are true. I've invested a lot to protect this democracy. There are so many people back home who don't like me because of what I do. And they feel that because of politics, if they get me today, they will destroy my life. And I don't hold any grudge against them because that's what they believe in. That if I'm not here today, you people should understand. You need to continue to protect your democracy. You have to protect your democracy. It is important. That is the only thing you can protect. And doing that, or how to do that, is to go to the ballot and vote to change this government. This election goes beyond your borders. This 2024 elections in Ghana, it goes beyond your borders. There are a lot of interest in your elections. Go and read the history of Ghana and go and read strategically where Ghana sits now. This election goes beyond your borders. Don't underestimate the elections you are seeing. It is not a joke. There are so many people with interest in your elections. So many people who are more powerful than you, Ghanaians. You need to protect that your democracy. if you people divide yourselves, you disagree with each other a little bit, and you don't stand united, you are done. I'm a young man. At least I don't have any criminal record. I've not involved myself in anything, so I'm very sure nobody can do me anything. But at least one thing that I know that has to be protected is the democracy of the Republic of Ghana. Because it was through that democracy that I got to this point, that I am proud to be living in the United States of America, respecting the rule of law, and then also making a life, build a family. So it is through that democracy I enjoyed in Ghana, and I'm a PA United States of America, where I have achieved a lot. And Kenya US I don't think the majority of the things I've achieved in my life come to me achieve. So the respect I accord this nation, I accord the same respect to my motherland. It is important, imperative. The who stage is soon aban we yen nyomano. Boni aban we dino in the history of the world. The day these people will leave power, you people will be sad. The damage they have done to you people. The damage they have done. They are scared. Every time John Mahama says he's going to force for accountability, make sure people pay for their sins, they get scared. And all of them are ready to take that democracy to protect themselves into whatever they would do. But one thing they are scared of, when we all come together to democratically vote against them, that is their fear. A vote that they cannot control. A vote that they cannot control. They cannot touch. They cannot massage. A vote that is a knockout. A vote that is overwhelming. A vote that they cannot do anything about. And that they have to hand over the power to the people and what they like. But mukwa elections we I can 9 days. Na mukwa kukwasa. Media mempe we media whatever you have enjoyed, that is be the end of the beginning. These people don't believe in democracy. Akufo Addo, never. Sit back and reflect. It will be a Otigana obesu sa kopim so bewu. If you say ne ba a friend ne ba, a government came and just shot the son or daughter during an election. And told. So you don't feel the pain. You think it's politics as usual. These people don't care. They don't have any connection with the country. And then it is said from Paul Boakye Agyarko, Bawumia himself, he does not even have any connection with the NPP. There's no connection. They are actors. They have watched the movie. They have studied the movie. They are pretending and they are acting. They know when you people will cheer, when you people will be sad. They have studied you for years. And that is the perfect job that Akufo Addo did when he was in opposition for 30 years. He studied us. He studied you people. He studied how your emotions are, how you react to things, how you become so patriotic, how you relax, how you get scared. He studied this. He studied Ghana like the way he studied himself. So before he came to power, he knew you people. He knew where the constitution, he can abuse it. He knew how he can abuse the system. He studied you people. Remember, he's almost 90 years. He was born before 90% of you were born. So he knows you. He knows what a Ghanaian is scared of. He knows how he can manipulate the system. He knows how he can kill the judiciary. He knows how he can kill the legislature. He knows how he can make the executive powerful. He has studied. These people are not kids in this game. No Ghanaian should underestimate Akufo Addo and this election. No Ghanaian. Sammy Kotoaba, where they are, my mentor NPP, the man they say, no Ghanaian, don't. Akufo Addo mpe Ghana sika wenyini Akufo Addo de Ghana sika eden Mahama young dodo Mahama de ohwe no ho kwa makra pe no Mahama de osibe o nice guy no opesika Akufo Addo abekire Ghana for say you opanyini a wejimi Nanado Danquah Akufo Addo time of opposition. These are some of the things he said. And some Akufo Addo can be near where 2016 sad time no na John Mahama final year of John Mahama bekache Ghana for said there is no doom so there was no doom so in 2016. Oja Power 2017 doom so in Ghana. Where Akufo Addo tweet the president wants credit for resolving doom so. What you say? where 2016 February. That means 2016 February, not Dumso ni ho. Or see, John Mahama epe credit for solving Dumso. Asiafo. You know, how can you expect credit for resolving a problem you caused and at a high cost? Nana do Danquah Akufo Addo 2016 February. Achichidie we catch the Ghana for say, yenye Ghana, Mahama was stopping Dumso inti die adeni yambo na baso. Every so na di Dumso baye, kwa siafo we na mudi omuchi so mu yempenifo. In nine way. They have no principle in life. Very dirty people. Jimmy, and they always lie and use you people like dogs. Today, kwasi I'm paying you to meet in our radio. So I say Mahama di Dumso aba wa solve Dumso. Obibeka so we penyini we die penyini kwasia we mu no masai kuro no. Right now we don't have any principle. Ye ni principle bi a de chichire man no. Kwasia bi aka bibia na okọ. Every say mpenifo no mde anim no. Omo nka no kre. Omo ntumi ni nyansa so ehun se asema meke gu obi hu fin no. Daachi obibeka bi egu me hu fin. Nana Danquah Akufo Addo confirmed in February 2016 say Dumso has been resolved. Kwasia forma. Mo hu teni ana mo gu nanim ase. John Mahama ho ofe inti yengu nanim ase. John Mahama nim nyansa or a young man obedi vice president ye hu bi da ne hire ho ofe or ye teni inti yense no. Mo so ma say nketia. Mo say nketia. You are like chimpanzees. Mo say that na se no ma say nipa. This is what Akufo Addo said. Nana Akufo Addo, who is the president today, confirmed to the world that in 2016 February, Dumso had been resolved by John Mahama. This is the problem. And you see, yeah, because today we have in Penifobia Ghana, they are quiet. They know the truth. Or tweety at 11:55 a.m. and no patu. And a dahono, men am Troy. These are dishonest, dirty people. They don't deserve power. Say, yes, I time to me more. Jimmy. I'm telling you. Say, yes, I time. Ballot box. MPP. This is a party full of people without integrity, credibility. These are dishonest fools. They don't respect you. They don't respect me. How can the president today sit on TV or stand on any platform to say Mahama did Dumso baye and one solve it whilst you have tweeted? Amode, yeah, the MPP for, yeah, the Buzia Domo tradition for, Modi Amontumaye, ye who the Bawumia, the Waya Ghana, the Obian Yebida. I've not seen anybody. Our policies chair Bawumia, me who no London, and I know kind kratebi. Na kratanda mi say na sa na odum nyansa. I am telling you, a palatable boy. Omo de nkwasi akasa say ya no bo pie ma hye because omo pese omo nananom akronfo na ye mo oil deal no. Omo nananom da ho nyesika. They don't care about you. They care about their party. So omo be wuni abeye eye kakraka ya to asase ni akosi omo oso. Omo aim in life no. They don't care about say bi omo yem ni say omo wu na ya boy ye chechere nchen ni akosi omo asase kakraka so ni ato wall afa ho eno anu no enti atra obetwa wo say wo wagimi bedi akire nti on be ka kire mo me say me hu obi a wo policies say Bawumia ebi say policies so na the Bank of Ghana abo $60 billion but me hu policies are Bawumia policies in the dollar was 17. Where Jimmy Kurano Busa say now policies ben $8 every 3.8 abedu 17. Eche ye penyini bonia ye ni. Wo ye penyini a won ka no kre. Eche wo ye penyini bonsam. Wo nya bonsam a eye dan e na uhu say dollar every 3 to 17. Utumi gina ka say nipa na o de policy buy na dollar every 3 to 17 no onim nyansa. Eche ye be bonsam. Eche wo check petrol bo time na eye dey aban bi wo so and they will check petrol bo a liter now the company ka say dey na wo ho no elfo enso and the board nti still nipa na otoso no ye never to me ma no ye jimi nti ye nyina edi to ane ada ye nyina ye hu panyini wo ye fie da adan ye hu panyini da kwasi asam nko a muwu kura nko ne ye hu toye Mumu nkone ye huntoye motiti kronim ena mona mo say the progress of the young people na oba krom ha empenifo a omo betena so edi o man we so sankwase ade na omo yanke kro aduru sei and the muhenia ba ne atama ba ha ne ma batu machine ase na ko de yesade mokọ na omo mpedifo ne yankwasiafo e na nkabu titra nka mo ekro de be se mama ba mo tete Ghana nkwasiade ye di penyinidie nyini atomoso we de wanyini yenkanani masam omo hihye kire na nkwasiade enye adwene bone na obi asore ka kire me se an ya dabo an kofo de wanyini o ono de oti akonwuma yenka wetumi atena akonwumi koye campaign kofo ti wiche wadi natam amanfo na tuatua ha obuntumi koye campaign ono ogu wiche no wetumi tumi atena wiche mu ye campaign wo se ne ho ye mmobo wagimi nipa omo na tuatua ha obuntumi kobirika koba no omo mutumi po koye campaign omo tete dem ono amokasi yeni amanfo odi natam oti wiche no wetumi twi wiche na koye campaign wo stage mentena hanka sesa nipa no men consider ne se oyarefo kofo onya yarefo oye able man bibie ni kofo won eche se oyare na adwiri mu da ho nyeni da ho eye boniaye honestly kofo oyare who say kofo is disabled what we say the disabled tag atare the wheelchair ho what say the atare the cam he is an able man he just feels like sitting in a chair and don't say kofo yarefo and obianka say kofo yarefo mo amonya yarefo kura mo ntumi nya campaign akofo ye ende watoto ba firi nkran Ordina ayedian at Eastern region or your campaign. A man for night to them to me nanti. Diabolic old man. But eba Ghana and Sama omunkebi. Seba and Sama ye kunipa omunkebi. Ye a pensioner for sika omunkebi because ye Jimmy. Ye ni atiti ye sika mani diwa people so. Into when we say ye Jimmy. The party no here say be power. Ye kuni power elections. Wankasa because ye am born nana biya tuo. Na wotina ewiase na wo ye panyini wo ye nyoma boni sei na wo bu ani guso aye ka nankawefo a wo na wote so politics he just lazy in walking he just doesn't want to walk he's not disabled Kofo has never been disabled Kofo is just a lazy man who does not want to walk he's just lazy he feels to say obi ope machine atrem antina no ote machine mu now he just doesn't want to walk just to take a stroll to burn fat. He doesn't want to burn fat. Kofo is a lazy walker. On yaribia, obeko di fie oto nyomu him nensa. Onya yarefo. Debi eka Kofo asema na ye papa Kofo de wenyini na ontumi nante. Wana se Kofo ontumi nante. Ko na kohwe. Ko di fie na kohwe. Obeko no civil and otare down ho. Obeka say, na yesi na oti akonwom. Oye lazy, he just doesn't want to walk. He feels to say, oyo hene yempia no. When I say Kofo is disabled, I've never, and nobody has said Kofo is disabled. He's just lazy to walk. He's just lazy. Your Kofo body age, he is just a lazy man who does not want to walk. Akwana na no se button away. Da ben out ya osof ma funka o she chiro ho. Why di why say? What the maba of me or say na no tenten aba. Osof ma with the yeah. Osof ma fu. Da ben out nka na no tenten or the shedem na no se button. Or the shechiro why say what well did you hear about South Mafu or so why dino or you were 1932 you were 1932 ushe ni ma I said dadwa on one ni mushe ni ma I said dadwa unim dadwa nail dadwa papa na pa I nails I dadwa papa na opa manipa ya pa ha sa dadwa ushe ni ma I said dadwa da ben na won was of Mafu oji so onwu ye yaka chom nyina so mungina chire oba amanfo bubofu saa osaf mafo de kofo ne baaye Macmillan oko salon koji de osaf mafo de dem ko Hepic Akufo Addo baaye osaf baaye osafo anotenten on say oni Akufo Addo wie ya o wie sikama ne nananom no osaf de Bawumia ba watete Bawumia wi ni ya osafo beba we mu no omo ye disease na no se koko boto owayifa 1932 o ye de politics 32 ne wo ya wo ni enanye bentwa wo safmafo ya wo nyi na bentwa ni ho ya wo safmafo ahoma edi botire na enye bi na company bi amba ya design ahoma edi botire ya ba be 1932 ni ahoma edi botire ni ho ya wo osafmafo na ade bia your friend say e say junction violet na enye bi ebi ni wiase ya wo osafmafo na junction violet ni ho Arrést ni enye Arrést me kire mo tetede no time wo of mafo na edian T square na enye T square broni pondwene wo so be T square enkofo da ho ne nanam Ghana tata blade ye wo of mafo na ebi ni wiase tata na ladder car friend ladder na ebi ni wo eye Asco na any Lancer Mr Bushi Lancer na enye ebi Omega Opel. Ya wo Osafomafo na Omega ni wo. Take it tail. Na bi ni ho. Na ni ade for the take it tail. Nkofo da ho ne namonase. Ayurade. True. Bawumia winipe. There be a save appointment breaking news. One best breaking news. So Bawumia winipe. Ging breaking news. Osafomafo has been made the advisor to the president. Saadi abeti. Bawumia winia. Another breaking news. Fremont Pare has been shifted not now as the chief of staff, now advisor to the chief of staff. But say Bawumia winia reserve for the Bahadoma Babaji Jesino and no I had to say one best same. Me say Bawumia winia. Sanko for ya and a breaking news. One best reappointment day way more. Bawumia we need to kick him yet ya pim. This is Joy News. That's breaking news. Yao Osafomafo today will be taking care of presidential advising and technical issues concerning the president's economic decisions. That's the new breaking news coming in from the it's Uncle Fuya. The technique we are with Jimmy Mumubi. Me say ya Osafomafo ya want to na big pen ne bi mai. Omun jampon wini some be big. Sa adia ye frɛ no Osafomafo na koraba ni ho sa ta ne etu amena na amanfo gye omunan ne akata so ye wo Osafomafo no na ye ni abrofo kraman na ye won kraman na mo ye from Asante kraman omafo tan sa kraman ni bi na wo ho ne ni abrofo kraman sa kraman mo hu omunan se ne ye wo Osafomafo na bi ni wiase mo tete Ghana enkofo ye nyini ya beifo da ho te na mo so hyetai adan ya we mu nim nyansa we mu bechichire Ghana mo ye wo Osafomafo metuma kire mu nyoma bebre wo Osafomafo na bi ni wo 2024 akwawe da ho gina ma ban mu se ono na de idea seba me say Bawumia winia obeti ging breaking news. Kwabena Agyapong now has been appointed as the presidential secretary. Don't know that na no besa ko fa ba bi wufro bi ani wo eyenkwasiafo we ya Osafomafo winia Bawumia winia ging breaking news. Kojo Kyeremanteng Nkrumah has been moved to the Ministry of Finance as the Deputy Minister of Finance. Sa enwa intidi na besa kwasiafo we ya bi ging. Amin Adams still keeps his position and Mahamadu Bawumia as the finance minister. So I could see the catch robo. Onyan winio or check appointment. Wasiato. Messi a wo Osafomafo na potroka beetle na bi ni wiase. Na enye tuo ni ho. Etuo no ma na 18 pe. Na British for no kwan na wo. Ye wo Osafomafo 1932 na etuo e wo wiase 18. Ye de aduane wo tanyan na we have cover wo tanyan na we cover na India for no 32 and na British for 18 etu na we wiase na eye 1832 eno ano na ebi ni wiase Osafomafo be you bon sam poto no nam Ghana ye ka mo ma ye nka ena nkofo we dada mo e die pa na Osafomafo betumi abeka Ghana ho ame akekere Ghana wakotete otete kire Mr Bean Edi ena muchi soroko enkwasi aforo mu gina stage inde eye sisifia ne bi Osafomafo mo tete ho wo tete ho mo ye ki no mo yomuti so now we sa eye enkofo ya no be reshuffling amamo ging another breaking news. Ken Oforiatta, as we know, is a foreign diplomat in charge of finance. Will be in Ghana, based in Ghana, but be taking care of all foreign ministries and local economy. Ging, wasaba. Yeah, the title never says cranka, you tweak no. Say a Jimmy near the whole team. Hey, intebe ni Jimmy, time do Sisano. Messi a was of Mafuna gunpowder, and I near the tutu, the gum near the diawum, pa. Tenya no atwon. Sata moko soja near diso, and the co war, na yen spread it. Ya wo Osafomafo na soldier for kwa one line otutura na watwe ho abechire na wabehye wutuo udi gunpowder sabegum nti yanto amedu so na gunpowder ye ready tanyan na watwe ho na abechire na obi so hye ne de sata wo Osafomafo sana na soldier for kwa war sata no soldier for no mudidi wo mu chem ya wo Osafomafo soldier for kwa war no mudidi wo mu chem omko na ekomedi wo ma no matu wo mu che no madunso gum no ma no sata me wo Osafomafo no akwa we da ho we Akufo Addo government Bawumia winia Elizabeth Ohini benya appointment. The nufu setabono obeba. Ging. Madam Elizabeth Ohini has been appointed as the senior most advisor to the president in the Jubilee House. Ging no muko. Sanko for neba. Hey, me say Bawumia winia. I wanna be lawyer Sam Okujato akwana neba repi obino. Sam okuja to lawyer bi na awonani bi no ono ne papa ya half full ani aha ging. Sam Okujato, as we all know, the former Council of State member, he has been made to head a legal and professional judiciary executive at the Jubilee House and the presidency. Ging. We more ankwasiafo ya. Yatutuano masaba. Ging. Joyce Aye. Madam Joyce Aye has been made a minister in charge of religious activities and corrupt tendencies. Miss Joyce Aye. Ging. Kwasiafo, they will bring them. Ging. Kofi Bento has been given a ministerial appointment. Today he is going to be the Deputy Minister of Interior and also Public Safety. Ging. Kwasiafo ya na mbesa show mu New Jersey aba. Ade papa ben na mu benya wo. Mo amosa sisifian kwara mo hemo mobo. Safi bo reality no. We nyina besi. Ging. Me say breaking news mo betia makoma bebo mu because hey, ye di nkwasi asem. O de fa tumi mo mo. Now, yanko yenim. Breaking news. We mo osafo mafo atete. Be yibon sem bia ne nse. Osafo. Yaw. Anything Reggie Rockstone kan onu nyumu. Reggie Rockstone. Yaw osafo mafo ye ni amanfo ne yatwe visa homan so connection number so up. Ni bibia fa no hu bia your points. Hwe, na just lyrics na Reggie use here na the form. Register di osafo mafo hu say akwa we per points. Because I tell na Macmillan points I want say ya osafo mafo ye ni amanfo na twe visa homan so connection number so about so Reggie nim. Inti no nim say eba osafo ne connection dia inti no this line share rapper bia or talented bia onim be or the rapper share any lines share and or the corruption any the deals share osafo mafo nchen ya osafo mafo ye ni amanfo na atwe visa homan so connection number so about eye osafo mafo. Now yenim ye OGs o enye no ye ka munji yendi ye ni petro mu ne si so EC urges political parties to avoid wasting resources on monitoring electoral material transport. But make even sure EC for say adena political parties say sika so bedi cars na air transporting voting materials no ballot boxes near the any ballot papers no easy for say identify political parties waste sika or moma cars ADHD monitor nanka easy the problem the same when I watch share ballot papers egu car mu and also the destination bantama and NDC for say ye nyina ye peni ye nti ye wo car yeso be di akire enti yeso ya fa car na ye di akire ene de eden ha easy adikudenti ha easy ne say they know say ya monitor sa de we ya ekwan so no omutumi edian papers ni bi ka ho endu destination yes enu anu no ekwan so omutumi ayi bi ka constituency bi ho. Now ma men kire the trick ma men kire the see Kusi Boateng and Bawumia and there was a meeting between Kusi Boateng, Bawumia, Electoral Commission, and a few people. Akufo Addo behind the scenes. The idea was that this was one of their first strategies. To say, almost transporting voter materials now, ballot papers now, they are going to stuff it. Inti Kusi Boateng and the catcher almost say they should use that strategy. And Nintina Omo who say NDC for the who omoto. And the NDC for car be able to ECB at the materials econo. NDC for the DHD and Nintina EC catcher say at the Nintina ye higher home NDC for how mon say nyoma omo transport no omo monitor. And your transparency sake intra. This statement alone should tell you say the Electoral Commission wants to rig the elections. Why are you worried when you are transporting such sensitive materials and the political party is also giving protection and also monitoring? Say Obi Enfan and Sanka. Why is the EC worried about that? Because it was part of the plan of the NPP. Say the rigging strategy, now we count the transportation of the voting materials, now account how they were going to rig. Say rigging an election a process. You rigging election on election day. You started rigging election before election day. And these are some of the reasons why they have been rigging elections for years, AMA MPP. And the EC almost problem with political parties wasting their own money, wasting their own fuel, wasting everything to do what? To monitor materials yerekoto aba. Actually said the EC is not ready for any kind of what? Any kind of transparency. This statement alone should scare every Ghanaian. Andre yana meka just omon pe say the journalists back over elections no ade chia om say ade intina political parties no monitor the transportation or sending the materials to different locations. The Electoral Commission is seriously trying everything possible to rig the elections for the NPP. The only way they cannot do that is when we come out in our numbers. Yet the 70% vote Major Mahama, they cannot do foko. Statement where should worry you. Statement where should give you a clear understanding of what the Electoral Commission wants to do. Statement where should make you never to trust the Electoral Commission of Ghana. They are there, they are just there waiting to take advantage of the system to rig the elections. Where on earth will you be worried when nobody is attacking anyone? People who are stakeholders in the election are monitoring election materials being transferred or transported. Why should you be angry? Why should you worry you? It means that you have an idea or some bad idea. Materials you are thinking of stopping halfway to stuff it or take some out. That is the Electoral Commission. IGP and so the another asamaba and so can NPP plan. The Amekacho is here about EC having problems with NDC monitoring the transportation of voting materials. No, this story too is part of the Kusibwa Akufo Addo Bawumia MPP plan with EC. But Dampare Sammy tina Dampare su team. IGP Dampare has introduced a reward system ranging from 1,000 to 2,000, 20,000 aimed at encouraging voluntary reporting of electoral breaches. Etonim on Sandre Chomeka Chiram say omon pese majority of the media in Ghana to report the story. It is linked to this. Now, yes, our story new year no, and on Beka Chiram say IGP Beka Chiram say almost so disikabi to ho. Wow, ube to me abe yeden abe ya snitch. Ube to me abe kasem abe yi obi to. Say abana ye koto no media house bi ana nipa bi ye bibi etia election no technically report it nyome bi eni so mo report no or so the 10,000 Ghana to 20,000 at all. What they are trying to do with the police, the Electoral Commission and the government say they are trying to gag the system. They want to gag the media. Into this statement you see like that, it is directly or directed at the media, not the general public. They want to hold the throat of voices in the community, in the society, in the country. Into also the Sikebia to so what is say obi can't semi report into what is going to happen and say radio be report, TV be reporting, na IGP in the call for a say obi report, stop reporting. So they want to use the police department, to gag the system. And these are all tactics they are using. And Rachel said they admitted say Jane Mensa Akushia the security forces that they are going to collaborate and make sure we have a free and fair election. We have an IGP who under his watch 8 people were shot during the elections. He has not spoken about it till date. Only Isi Akotina to say he's going to protect us during elections. We have an IGP who has a CID department, an IGP who basically sits with the vice president at the police council. The vice president, on the chairman of the police council, Bawumia. For 4 years, your body patrol during elections. Police for omubo tuno, yenim baby omo. Soldier for no mo she atade botuo no, ebe sin de hu baby omo. Sanko for asa kwotena demo catch say we will protect you during the election. They are lying. Protect yourself. Go vote and protect your ballot. They are lying to you.
Yo, it for winning and some year KT Kevin Taylor what they to draw where pa ye my way FBl-CLA for a channel wɔde ne nyina atodwa wadansɛm dodoɔ nara so adi meka wo sɛ wonya subscribe to channel dia bɔmmɔde asɛ wobɛ subscribe sanse hadeɛ latest and hot news nkwa ɛna mede bro after we are like video like the video na fe share ma of frost na wenye bi hwɛ na wo hu ensɛm ɛkɔso ɛwɔ Ghana bɛmu ha wo so betimi akyerɛ wadwen afa ɛyɛ ensɛm we nyina ho ɛwɔ comment box ni mu mwete minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.